Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today in this video we'll try to understand what is form design and form layout in ServiceNow. Okay, let's understand what is form design and form layout in ServiceNow and let's implement it for our project. The project whatever we had created, the application, the last video we had discussed how to create, okay. Practically we had created an application and their modules, right? So in this entire playlist the system administrators videos are there, you can check out, and for live sessions you can call us on below mentioned number, okay. And you just see here, okay, I had builded one form, okay. So this is my form, okay. If I go to the form is looks like something here, okay. This is not pretty much, you know, looks good to be see, right? So the incident form, right, it can be consisting very beautiful form, like where the fields, right, fields are in a such a way like it would be splitted, and the feedback number is an above, and some fields are below. So if you see this, right, this form, incident form, how it is looks like, how it is looks like incident. See here, incident form is very good to see the view, right? The differentiation of columns, and it is consisting the list also and sections also, right? So how can I create this actually in our application? So I can be able to take, okay, the reference of form layout and form design, and from there I will be able to adjust the fields for my custom application, or if needed I can be able to add the fields, I can be able to add the sections, and whichever not needed I can be able to delete also through the form layout and form design. Let's see, let me go to my application, okay. Let me go to the application, feedback, create feedback. Next I will go to, I will go to configure form layout, okay. Go to form layout. See here, these are all the fields, these are all the fields, list of fields that are there on the feedback management table, and these are all also available fields. This things you will be calling as slush bucket. So this whatever you are seeing, this calling as a slush bucket, remember. So here I wanted to be seen, okay, here. So let me go to that, okay, particular new record, okay. See here, let me take the duplicate it so that I can show it to you. So here I will be trying to opening the form, feedback, say new. So this form I had opened for our testing purpose. So here I will try to change the field. So here I wanted to be add, okay, I wanted to be add created by into the form. So I can add it, I can select it, okay, I can add it. So let's save it, you just save it, save it. So what will happen once you had saved? Do you see anywhere created? Created by field is also came on your form. So by using, okay, by using the form layout, you will be able to add the fields which are not available on the form, okay. On the form also you can be able to create the new fields, okay. And see here, I will go to configure form layout, okay. Oh, you just see here, I'm trying to add the split, okay. Split should be in the starting, and I will be adding the split also, split it, and next end split I will be adding. You just see what is happening. Okay, end split, and this, right, this I wanted to be move it to the first where it is number, feedback number. Okay, fine. Now I will save it. Just see here. Okay, we had seen begin split, split, and next split, next end split. What is happened? See here, began split, it is beginning the split. Next, whenever I am splitting, I have added after these four columns in the form layout, I had added split. Whenever the moment I had added the split, the next fields are changed in the right side. And next, whenever I had ended this, after I have added end split after the product purchase. Then these are all divided into separate, in the form, in the left side and the right side. After that, okay, now let's see. I wanted to be add collar also, okay, collar also into the right side. Okay, collar right side I wanted to be added. And next state I wanted to be added left side. So now what I can do, what I can do, I can simply go to configure form layout. Okay, see, began split. Okay, before split I wanted to be added. What I need to add it? Collar, 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 collar I wanted to be added. Collar I wanted to be added here. And next state I wanted to be added before split. Okay, that's all. Save it. So now what is happened? Collar is coming the left side and right side state is there, and this format is now how it looks like. It is something like incident form. So with help of the form layout, you can be able to customize your form, even you can be able to do it with form design also. Very soon we will be seeing it more. Okay, but let's try to understand quickly the form layout. Okay, and now again I will try to add few more fields over the form layout. See, but this and all, right, you can check it, okay. This began split and end split I had share you, and knowledge annotations chart, and then you can check it out. Attachments also you can check it out. Whatever you need, you can do it. So now into my form I wanted to add one field. How can I add it? I can go to the configure and I can go to the form layout. Here I can add the field. From here, remember, from here I can be able to add the fields. From here I can be able to add the sections, remember. Okay, now let's try to add it. So name I am taking it as something, what I can be added, something like check. Okay, check. So I can be able to see here, I'm selecting here something like the choice I will try to select, okay, try to select the choice. Okay, fine. Okay, now is that added here? No, right? Add it, save it. So now, not now, what happened? Check is the choice where it has been added on the form. From the form layout, you don't need to go to the dictionary entry, and I don't need to add it. From form layout also I can be add different kind of fields. Okay, from here also you can be add the choices. Okay, just hold it. Okay, next configure choices, configure choices. Okay, come down. I am going to be added 1 and 2. So it is 1 is added, 2 also I wanted to be added. So 2 choices are added. See here, 2 choices are there, 2 to 3 choices. Okay, fine. You can be able to add from the form layout also. But whichever not required, you can be able to delete also, remember. Okay. For that, I will go to again configure form layout. Okay. And I don't want to not delete. Okay, sorry, not delete. I don't want it to be view on the form second way. Then just double click it. Then it will be moving to the next side. So now it will not be having anything. So now try to see the section also. See here, do you see anything like section? As like incident form is having sections. These are all calling sections, section. Do I able to see? No, right? So how can I add it? How can I add it, ma? I can go here simply. I can go to again form layout. Next, okay, say new form. Okay, add section. Added it. Okay, added it. Next, for that section, I need to add some fields. Can I able to add some fields? Okay. Let's select this, 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 this. So save it. So what will happen? Section is added. Section name is add section. You can be able to add multiple also. Under the section, you will be seeing the different fields also. Okay. What are all these fields, ma? Inside the table only, related to field management table only. Okay. And again, I will go to form layout. I will be adding one more section. Add section. Okay. Okay. New section. The section name is new section. I am again. Okay. For this, I will try to take up. Okay. Next, save it. So now sections are also added. This is how you will be able to do it. In the same way, you can do it from form design also. See, from design also. In the form design, you will be having two things: field types and fields. Field types means what type of fields are there. From here, you can be able to create it. And fields, the fields are available on the form. So these are all the forms. So I don't want it to be from here. I can be able to do. Okay, from here I can be able to do field mandatory and layout also. I can be able to arrange it. How can I do it? See here. How can I do it? I want this here. Just hold it. What happened? I want state field is mandatory. How can I do it? Just go there, mandatory. That's it. Okay, that's it. Now what will happen? State field will be mandatory. Do you see it? It got saved. It. Okay. Now save it. Okay. And check the form. Feedback form. Do you see? State field mandatory became mandatory. From the form design and form layout also can be able to make the fields. Okay. From the fields are mandatory. Okay. And again, let's go to the form design. Can we add the fields here? Can we add it? Okay. If yes, how can I add it? Just click on the new. Click on new. Where? What is happened? See here, new section got added here. I want it to be add. Come down. Fields I want it to be added. Okay. Fields. Fields I want it to be added. Space second. Okay. Drag and drop. Not section. Nah? Okay. Let's see. Drag and drop. From here, I can choose it and I can drag it. That is how you can do it. So if somehow it is not supporting for me, you can do it from your end. Sections you can be able to, if you don't need the customer name or email, you can from here you can be able to remove it. Okay, fine. This is how form design and form layout will be working. You can practice from your end. If any doubts, mention in the comment section. Okay, fine. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon in the next video. We'll try to come up the entire video related to the form design also. Through the form design we will check it out once my system is supporting. Okay, drag and drop related. Thank you.